PV, point value 1100 PV. So far clear or not? It's standard one, yeah? This is for E-Pack, this is for standard pack. For standard pack 595, you have one business center, but for one business center it's only 100 PV. For E-Pack is 1001 PV. Later you understand why this PV is so important. Yeah? Would you want to make $600 per day? Why not?
Yeah.
Then you must understand the PV, okay? That will lead you to make $600 per day. Okay, and in E-Pack, company is very simple. You are purchasing one E-Pack. Basically, for your information, you are buying 35 products. Clear enough? You are buying 35 products, and the company is giving you a dividend of free leadership bonus monthly minimum guaranteed for the first 12 months. 40 US times 3.8. Until today, we still pack at 3.8. Good or not?
Good.
Good, very good. Although now currency exchange rate is about 3. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all would not feel the difference between 3 and 3.8. For your information, our company pay out at least $8,000 to $10,000 per month. So you are looking at 10,000 US times 3.8, which is equals to 38 million. 10 million, sorry. 10 million US dollar times 3.8 is 38 million versus 30 million. Company can save additional 8 million. It's only the differences with the exchange rate 3.8 and 3. Now you all look into a bigger picture whereby it's a very big volume, right? So we still pay 3.8. Every month you will enjoy 152 times 12 months means for the first 12 months, once you registered, minimum you get back 1824. So far clear, not? So you are purchasing one E-Pack with 35 products. The company is giving you a dividend. So basically, normally when we share with people during E-Pack, it's like there's an investment return, right? When you come in, and also the company is giving you free 35 products. The reason why we mention free, for your information, very simple. If you start talking about buying products for one pack, 10 packs means how many products? 350 products, right? So for business people or investors, they'll be thinking, what am I going to do? 350 pieces. You understand? Means they are worried, they are focusing on products already. But they forgot on their returns, you know. So what we do, our concept, you see, most of other concept, other group concept, what they do, they use the product, they start selling. One piece 200, one piece 250, one piece 150. They start selling. You must always remember, there's no repeat sales, ladies and gentlemen. Second, you will never go far. Confirm. Whoever in the group here, even they are not present, I do not want to mention, last 6 months they keep on selling. 1 month, 2 months, they can make 20, 30,000. Right? They are very good in selling. But within a 6 months period, they stop. And do you know, lately I've been hearing the person mentioning to the rest of new members, oh, you don't sell. The more you give, the more you receive. You understand? Because practically our concept works already. Later I'll show you the concept. If you are going on selling, means it's like just a normal salesperson. Keep on selling products. Whereas a lot of business people, lately I've been meeting a lot of investors and business people, they don't like to sell. So when I share the concept with them, they accepted the concept where they get the products. First of all, they get their returns. They like to hear returns first. Correct or not? They get the returns, they get the products. It's like 3-in-1 Nescafe. I would like to share with people 3-in-1 Nescafe. First, you can get the return. Second, you enjoy the product. The product you can give away as a gift, corporate gift, anniversary gift, birthday gift, housewarming gift, so many gifts you can give away. And you can do charity also for old folks home. You understand? So when they use good, they'll come back to you. And you do not know how to share on the business plan, doesn't matter. I will get in the principle of Fusion Excel or my business partner to share with you how to go about, because practically I don't sell product. So what we want is their network. So they feel very comfortable. Oh, okay, I don't sell. And some of them, Scala Energy is scientific term.